The topic of this video is how to change your RV wastewater valve while on the road. There is nothing worse than open your drain cap to attach the hose at a campground and have a whole lot of black water getting all over you. Yuck. There are several different types of valves. 1. The manual blade type. 2. The manual iris type, like a camera iris. 3. Manual with wires that control the opening and closing of the valves. 4. Automatic valves that use electronics that just flick the switch from inside your coach. There are pluses and minuses for each type, but today I'm focusing on the Alpha 2000 Ideal, which uses 3 drain blade valves. My fifth wheel uses a 1.5-inch valve, a 2-inch valve, and a 3-inch valve. I have found that sometimes you can get away with just replacing the seals. That is, if you can find the correct seals for your valve. My configuration is the easiest type of the 4 to replace. Since COVID-19, many mom and pop RV stores have closed for good. Do your research and pick your parts wisely. There are 4 bolts that need to be removed before you can pull out the old valve. The new valve or seals need to be replaced. I have a big flat-bladed screwdriver, micro pry bar, to pull the pipe apart far enough to insert the new valve. The worst was the 1.5-inch valve. Tighten the 4 bolts to ensure no leaks, but not too tight to interfere with the blade action. When inserting the valve, make sure the valve is closed. Do not use glue to seal the valve to the pipe. This is a twist-on lever valve that goes where your wastewater comes out of your RV and where you'd normally put a hose, but you'd put the hose on the other side of this valve, and sometimes you can get them transparent so you can see what kind of yucky stuff is in there before you open it. This would be a simple way of correcting it until you can get back to where you can get somebody to service it. I'd like to thank you for joining us on my RV adventures on YouTube.